Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm doing kind of a different video today because I'm going to be doing a really cool homework from a classroom from a technical engineering teacher. I'm going to be building this. It's like a cogwheel that turns something which I'm gonna make. First thing I did, this is the first part which I made. I drew every single part, even the 3D part, and we need to make this with the cogwheels and like a box or something. But first up, we need to make this box right here. Guys, remember this is very dangerous, so be careful. This is gonna take a while. It's hard. And we are done. That was difficult. You might have realized I've been using the transparent plastic. It's a really cool design, and instead of using cardboard, which says here, I'm using this transparent plastic. Now we need to make the cogwheel. The big one, which is this one. And in diameter it is 60 millimeters. We need two, so there you go. First, we have here slowly. There. Taped, done. It's not easy to cut this. These are now the smaller circles. Yeah, we need to make a hole, so okay. Widening the holes. We have here two cogwheels, and we need in total of 40 cogs to make exactly two cogwheels. And we need two axles to hold them together in this box here. So I'm going to be using, what is it called? Cotton buds to make the axles and the cogs. Should be done. Okay. So it doesn't look as bad as I thought it would be, but just one of the parts are loose. Yeah, it's not. It's a cold hole that goes out. This is this one, but it rolls pretty nicely, and I think it could work still. Now I have to make this big gear, but the problem is it needed 32 of these like small gears. But the problem is it's too much, so I decided to put 16 of them. I'm now adjusting the cogs, and it has to be the same, the most same difference everywhere, the most I can. Now I need to measure exactly where are the holes for these two, where to put the axles through this guy. to this little box here, and this is 2 centimeters from here to down, 2 centimeters. It's from the hole, but and it's 3 centimeters from there to there. So it's 2 and 3 centimeters like this, and also on the other side, and this whole bar is 6. One of the last steps of completing it. Yes! Finally! 3 hours later, I've successfully done it. I didn't have any super glue, and I couldn't buy it because of the pandemic, obviously. The super glue was stuck, and because I already used it before and I couldn't open it, so I had to use this bee glue, or I don't know, bio stick glue, and it was sitting here for 3 hours, and it has successfully gotten stuck here. This away. And now I'm just going to make it go through here really well. And last part, whoa, is to put it through this hole. There we go. Yes, finally. It is officially all done. Look at it, guys. Isn't it amazing? And the only part that's left is the microbit part. So it has a motor and it will turn it by itself. Yes! So I used the servo motor, which can only turn it 180 degrees. It's better than this one that didn't work, the electric motor. But I used microbit and programmed it so you can go 180 degrees forward and backwards. You see here. Just scroll a bit. There we go. Anyways, this was almost 6 hours of work. It was really stressful, but anyways, drop a like on this video and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Turn that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!